Hi students, here is a picture of Mrs. Borowitz. She is the principal of our school. You are going to see her walk in the hallways just like in the photo very often during the school year. She is a very important authority figure. She makes sure that everybody is safe. She can create new safety rules and new rules in the classroom to make sure that everybody is safe. She is here to help students achieve their goals by making sure that they are learning what they need to in all the grade levels. She is also here to create events and make sure that parents, teachers, and students are all aware of what is happening at school. She is again very important. She is one of the main responsibility figures at our school. Make sure to say hello to her when you see her in the hallway.